Magandang hapon po ng Wednesday, August 13, 2025 at ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Wednesday, August 13, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas ang para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng August 13, 2025 Wednesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas ang para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. 'See you again later for 9 p.m. draw result of Grand Lotto 655, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for Wednesday, August 13, 2025. Here are the today's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 and Mega Lotto 645 for August 13, 2025, Wednesday. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for Wednesday, August 13, 2025. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.